Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to share with you how to record your voice in Windows 10. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So recording your voice in Windows 10, why would you want to record your voice? Well, maybe you're doing a podcast, maybe you're doing a voiceover, commentary, a couple reasons why you obviously would want to record your voice. Windows 10 comes pre-installed with a default application to do just that, and it's pretty simple, just a couple steps and you're ready to rock. So let's just jump right into it. What you want to do first thing is click on type here to search down below and type in AUD. First thing that pops up, or should pop up, is the voice recorder app. Click on that. Excuse me. Now, you're going to get this screen pretty bland. It says voice recorder at the top, has a microphone in the middle, and it almost acts like a button. So if you click this, it will record your voice. You can also hold in Control on your keyboard and the letter R, and it does the same thing. I'm going to hit the microphone button right now. This is a test, testing the microphone, testing the voice recorder. Again, this is a test. I'm going to hit stop. Okay, so when you're done recording your voice or commentary or podcast or whatever, it's going to show your recording right here, and you're just going to hit play. This is a test, testing the microphone, testing the voice recorder, and this is a test. All right, stop. As you can see, I recorded my voice successfully, and there's a couple options down here that we can kind of do things with. I can share my recording, I can email it to somebody, I can send it to one of my contacts if I have my contacts set up. I could share it with somebody in Skype, I can put it on OneNote. The next option we have is trim. I could cut the file down if it's too long, if it's too short, I can make it shorter. If it's long, I can make it shorter. So that's trim. Trash can is obviously I can delete the recording. I can rename the recording. So if I click it and I can type in test voice, and I'll just hit rename. As you can see at the top, it renamed it to test voice. Now if you click these three dots to see more, you can click the about. It just tells you about the voice recorder. Send feedback if you would like to send feedback to Microsoft. Microphone settings. Now if you jump in here, you can kind of toy around with your microphone settings. Everything should be fine, but this is how you access your microphone settings just in case something funky is going on. So I want to hit these three dots again. And if you click on Open File Location, so you're probably wondering, after you're done recording your voice, where does it go to? So if you hit Open File Location, and you go to the Documents folder, from here you want to click on Sound Recordings. There's a folder. It automatically made the folder when you made your recordings. So if you double click Sound Recordings, here's my test voice. Double click that, play your recording. If you don't have the default audio set up on your computer, please choose one. There's a couple here you can do. You can do Windows Media Player. A lot of people know about that. You can do VLC Player if you have that downloaded to your computer. So I think I'm going to go with Windows Media Player, and I'm going to hit OK. And if you get this window for Media Player, just hit Recommended Settings, and then hit Finish. And so as you can see, the recording was successful. I saved it. I know where to find it. And yeah, pretty simple. That is how to record your voice in Windows 10. Give this video a like if you didn't know about it. Comment down below if you plan on doing any recordings, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, just a side note, I know you just finished watching how to record your voice in Windows 10 through the audio recorder. I just wanted to let you know that the recording that I did inside the app itself, it worked successfully. You can barely hear my voice is because I'm using another recording software with my video recorder. So you can barely hear the recording that I did with the Windows voice recorder. It did work though, so please give it a shot on your computer if you have a microphone. Yeah, so just follow the video, follow the steps, and you won't have a problem. Just wanted to let you know it did work. You just can't hear it because I'm using another piece of software and it's trying to, they're trying to talk to each other. So give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.